Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can start a new agent to add it to your library on Dialogflow in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on Dialogflow, and here on the left panel, guys, what you want to do is select the given agent you have already created, or if that's the first time you log in on Dialogflow, you will see here, I can show it to you right now because I've already created and selected one. You will see a button asking you to create or to start your new agent so that you may, for instance, use the console for it later, add intents, entities, and so on and so forth to it. So guys, if you have already created one, click into that drop-down menu here next to it and choose View All Agents. And from here you may click into Create Agent there, or from the drop-down menu, choose Create Agent here. So let me do that and create a second one. So that is the example agent. I'm going to name it example agent 2 for the sake of this tutorial. So here you can give your agent a name, set a default language by clicking into the drop-down menu. I will leave it at English. You can use also various variations of the given language, like British English, American English, and so on and so forth. You may assign a Google project below. The default time zone may be set up here. So let me go with, I don't know, Central European Standard Time. And after that, you may also select the agent type. For example, if you'd like to, I don't know, combine multiple of these agents into one, but I will leave it at single agent, and that's it. Now, click into these three dots here in the into that create button, of course. Wait for the creation to be processed. It may take a moment. And after that, your created agent will be available in that list here, View All Agents. As you can see, it's still saving. So you will see it here, guys, so that you may access it from there. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.